Welcome back to our channel where new updates from the world of social media await you every day. Today, I'm going to show you how you can customize the chat list swipe gesture on Telegram. Let's get started. Open the Telegram app. Click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. From the options provided, select Settings. Click on Chat Settings. Scroll down to the chat list swipe gesture section. On the right side, you will see different actions you can choose from. By swiping up or down, select the desired action. I will choose Delete. Now, I will go back to a chat to show you this function. By swiping left, you will see the action you have chosen, in my case Delete. This way, you can easily delete unwanted chats. Thank you for following us. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on the subscribe button.